So guys, I'm making this video today because I'm myself a huge fan of Nike Air Max. So if you guys also love this sneaker line by Nike, stick around till the end of this video because I'm going to talk about a brief history about Nike Air Max, when is the Nike Air Max Day celebrated, and which colorway is releasing this year in 2021 on Nike Air Max Day. So are you guys interested? Let's get going. Guys, my name is Amit Pandey. I'm an entrepreneur and a sneakerhead, and I welcome you all once again to this channel Smart Kicks, and this channel is all about shoes. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe right now so that you stay connected with the Smart Kicks community and you get an update whenever I upload a new video related to sneakers and sneaker brands. So talking about Nike Air Max, it's that one sneaker that uplifts your whole sneaker game. For every sneakerhead, it's like a dream. It's like that prestigious, iconic sneaker that one must have. So this Air Max 90 that I have today with me here is to help you have a better understanding about this sneaker line. However, my favorite colorway in Air Max 90 is the Evolution of Icons, and I'm saving funds so that I can probably buy them the next month. There are so many collaborations and colorways in this silhouette that you can surely find one that matches your taste. Also, this has been that one champion sneaker line for Nike that became the cultural icon without an ambassador. A pillar of sneaker culture, the Nike Air Max 90 remains one of the most significant designs since the brand's founding. And while its OG colorways are some of the most significant, the silhouette has made an impact from time to time through general releases and smart collaborations. Giving a brief history about Air Max, the first Air Max, popularly known as Air Max 1, was released in 1987, then Air Max 2 in 1989, and then Air Max 3 in 1990. This Air Max 3 went on to be called as Air Max 90 when it was relaunched in the year 2000, and this is that one sneaker that amuses me the most. It was designed and conceptualized by the design legend Tinker Hatfield, who oversees Nike's innovation kitchen. Air Max 90 are identified by their midsoles that have a visible air unit aimed to provide superior cushioning underfoot and keeping the shoe lightweight. The effectiveness of this technology for the purpose is disputed. Despite that fact, this sneaker line has enjoyed consistent popularity, especially from sneaker communities and collectors. These sneakers go so well with denims and joggers. There needs to be absolutely no discussion about the pairing, as the sneaker has its own style. Just wear them and step out and all the eyeballs are on you. To celebrate the popularity of Air Max, Nike recognizes 26th March every year as Nike Air Max Day. And on this day, generally there are a lot of sneaker events organized by Nike across the world and limited sneaker releases. So what are we expecting on this Nike Air Max Day? Actually, this year in 2021, Nike is releasing Air Max 90 Bacon colorway. It's highly anticipated. The resale market is really hot. So what are you guys waiting for? Go grab your laptops, mobile phones, whatever you have, and sit back on 26th of morning 7:30 AM and try to cop them. Even if you don't like this colorway, it's very rare you won't like this colorway, but even if you don't, just try to cop them, and if you are lucky enough to find one, send it across to me. Well, as far as the pricing is concerned, any average Air Max would price somewhere around 7,000 to 10,000 rupees if you're lucky to grab a discount, or otherwise, if it is a limited release, the retail price is approximately around 12,500 rupees. You got to be really on your toes on 26th of March 7:30 AM on Nike.com or on Sneakers app. Best of luck, guys. In the meanwhile, if you like this video, please share this video with your sneaker buddies and drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Trust me, I love reading your comments and responding to them. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you go away. It really helps me and my team produce some high quality content around sneakers. So till my next video, you guys stay fit and keep watching Smart Kicks.